Japanese souffle cheesecake. That looks amazing. Wow, lemon bar.
Do you have a menu for sandwiches?
One second there. So, video for
We're just vlogging.
what?
The apricot, I think, sounds amazing.
And you know, like, you know, this one is, it looks like that, but it's amazing. The other has
The cinnamon rolls. The apple croissants. Oh, the almond croissants, yeah. Cookies, that looks amazing. Is that a chocolate chip cookie? Wow.
You want to try out Vietnamese coffee? I recommend it.
Oh, what type of chocolate? Oh, the like Vietnamese coffee?
No, the drip, if you want it, oh yeah, there's a video. Let's do the drip for him. Yeah.
Ooh, the drip coffee, yes.
Different than the normal kind of boring sandwiches, but a healthier option. As you see, you know, the vegetarian option, nobody has done it. Like, oh really? Yeah. Tempura and yes. Because
Yum.
Taste test.
Almost there. Look at that, dude. You've got your chicken, carrots, jalapeno, cilantro.
Mayonnaise, honey lime sauce.
Yes,
All
mayonnaise,
fresh.
honey lime sauce,
And a
wrapped in a fresh Italian fluffy bun.
French.
Bun, sorry. There you go. Made in-house.
Thank
It's
you.
already dripping with like juices. 100%, she's right. It's so fluffy, but it has like the right bite to it.
Come on in, it's fine. He likes it, he just tasted it.
Cilantro gives it a very refreshing taste.
Can we also just get a couple napkins?
Fish sauce,
Thank you.
it's a sweet fish sauce.
Oh, yum.
Give it a shot.
Actually, you want to go next, should I?
I got it. One more time.
Oh yeah, look at that. Get in there.
Goodness, all that goodness.
Yummy bread.
You're not gonna be overstuffed with this, you know?
So light and good.
It's like celery, almost like you're eating a cloud with like marinated chicken.
Really good.
It's amazing.
Thank you. Oh.
Check it out, guys. Here's the beef, Banh Mi. Also loaded with carrots, and then you also have jalapenos along with cilantro, and I'm willing to bet it is topped off with the sweet fish sauce. Again, the bread is super fluffy and soft. Just got like the perfect bite to it. Yeah. It's super, you could taste the garlic in this. Oh my god, the cream in here is just, it's like an explosion in your mouth, man.
Sweetness.
So many different flavors that just come together and it's a medley. Hey bud, check out this Vietnamese drip coffee. So here's the apparatus, you fill it with your grinds and top it off with hot water. And this slowly drips through a filter into this glass that's pre-filled with condensed milk. You mix this with ice to water it down, dilute it a little bit, because this is a very, very strong coffee, and I believe they use the Café du Monde brand that's made from chicory. Anyways, can't wait to try this when this is done.
yeah, it looks prettier with the ice in there.
I want to spin off. And then mix it up. Oh, it's starting to water down, yeah.
Another ice in here.
Lovely. Keep those on now.
Yeah.
There we go, put some out. Traditional Vietnamese coffee with condensed milk and really strong coffee grinds. Look at that smell. Alright, here we go. Give this a total palate cleanser.
Oh yeah.
It's a complete reset.
Hi, welcome.
Good amount of sugar, sweetness. I like it, very creamy. Very creamy.
A little bit cream in there too.
All right. So tell me like a day in a life.
So, okay, our French chef will come in the morning.
Okay.
He will use this machine. This is Denmark. It's from Denmark.
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
This is from Switzerland? Oh wow. Okay.
Ship on the way from Switzerland.
Oh my God. Okay.
So our chef, after he have the a dough, a ball like this, he begin to shape it.
Yes.
And then he begin to, let it cohere with really thick, because when you have the ball, it's super thick. Then here's the level, you can train it. So first,
Sell bread individually or?
he gonna go down a little bit. And then, it's gonna be a little bit flat in here.
Okay,
And then he come here, and then he lower down a little bit more.
Okay.
He do it, continuously.
81 layers?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so on all the way, go down to
I think so.
2 inches until thick with it.
So is this in inches or what is it? No, this is in centimeters. Okay.
Yeah, it's in Europe.
Yeah, I see it. Centimeters. Yeah. They're on the metric scale.
Very interesting.
Nice.
And he also take the butter and he smash it down, and then he make a layer of butter, and then he attach on top of
Okay.
the dough, and then he, continue.
Yeah, lamination.
So this process is called lamination.
Yeah.
Ah, lovely. Close up of
Okay, stand by.
That filling is good. I just licked on my fingers.
Go for it.
Oh.
Oh, I see it coming out. I see it coming. Oh my God! Look at that! 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 Oh wow!
Oh wow, this looks delicious actually.
Eat it now.
Oh jeez.
Go for it.
Can you get any closer? It looks like it would be super sweet, but it's not. That's what
Okay,
it looks
so here's
like.
my bite. Pistachio cream filling, French croissant, and it's got a glaze of some kind of a syrup that's dyed to give it this wonderful stripe pattern on top. Yeah, let's try this out. Very creamy. Oh my God.
He's going back for seconds.
Mama.
You definitely taste the pistachio. I wonder if they.
Make the cream.
Yeah, that's one thing. Is it like a powder or is it most? Do they make?
We'll ask them.
That's really yummy.
No, this is a really just French.
It is French, not Vietnamese. 'Cause I know you guys do a lot of French baking.
Yeah.
But this is not Vietnamese. It's
No,
French.
this is a new way. It's a new trend. It's called like the ribbon one. This one.
Ribbon croissant.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
It's a new
New fad.
yeah, like new thing outside there that people have to only like a very good French chef can layer it like that and
Yeah, 'cause
create
it has-
this kind of layers
Yeah.
with
Yeah, that technique
the technique is new. It's French.
You can see the layers. Look how many. It's more than even like a regular croissant, I feel like.
Oh, I can see that.
So good.
This is really yummy.
But you guys have held the tradition rather well. So.
Yeah, we are try to keep the tradition and advertise and keep it to the next generation.
Yeah, I love that.
It's very interesting how you guys hold on to the authenticness, but still put the different spin on it, like you were saying.
Yeah, giving the little fusion, right? But it's still authentically Vietnamese with the French.
With the small touches that make everything a little bit better. Yeah. The bread, I can't get over the bread.
That was the
there's only maybe one more bakery in the whole California do it by hand.
Wow.
Yeah,
really?
everybody else they have a machine roll, and when the machine roll, you can see the difference. Like the outside is gonna be harder, may hurt your teeth. On the inside is thicker, chewy. Like you
This
can
is
see.
good. The bread
The bread was the best.
I told her I want to take a couple loaves home
Yeah.
if I didn't live in DC.
Yeah, I'm really thankful that I am able to find my bread maker. He's 60 years old already, and we try our best to keep him. Wow. Because he
Learn from him too.
Did you really?
He went to Vietnam to
Wow.
yeah, I went to the bakery.
So you can do the procedure or not? No, it's very.
Like I said,
Not yet, almost.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Yeah, you need your hand to be flexible. Okay.
It's like carpal tunnel for me.
Yes.
So he make his fish, he can make his tomato and cheese turnover. This is the egg and cheese and bacon on brioche. So he can proceed to make all the pastries. You can see here every day we make it fresh daily and with certain amount only. So if we sold out, and we sold out, and then the next day.
Fresh kitchen.
Yes.
That is the concept. I love it. Well, thank you very much again. And we truly appreciated that you guys hosted us last minute impromptu, you know? But yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for the tour back there. Okay. Guys,